Hey, a good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis expert level, let's look at Pound Australia. On the daily chart, what we see is a bearish movement, and if you do know how to read candlesticks combination and stuff like that, and some of you just have a bit of talent in recognizing patterns, well, it seems like the bearish movement can potentially continue, but just remember that Pound Aussie is a very choppy pair, so anything can happen over here with more choppiness, more than Pound Yen. For those who understand Pound Yen well, this is like 10x of Pound Yen, you know. Down to the 4-hour chart, what we see over here, same thing, bearish movement. If you read this as a bullish trend, then you read it wrong. Well, scan this QR code and drop us a note, drop me a note. I'm the admin, all right, Rain Lim of the channel, of course. And drop me a note, schedule a call, and you can even look at the top of the channel. By the time you receive these, I believe I'll have include the booking channel or link for you, all right, that will help you in getting on a call with us, and you will see if you're a good fit. All right, so to the 1-hour chart, this is what we have. Based off the 1-hour chart, it is still bearish, just a zoom in version. Not every time when you go to a lower time frame, it is a zoom in version. All right, so you have to know this well. So scan this QR code, it will bring you to our Telegram channel, and on the top of the channel, the first pin you will see is our student portal over here. If you scroll down further, you will start to attend a free training, a free course over here, where it'll get you going, and at least you're able to recognize trend, and that's super important. And of course, if you're interested to find out more, book that call with us. I'll see if you're a good fit. If yes, then we'll give you the invitation to be in our academy. And of course, you should start off with the first training, 1-day trading course, where you can learn how to trade within a day, keep on practicing it and stuff, and then post in our student chat group, of course. Scroll down further, you can even start to look into our trading ideas, and you can see that the wonderful stuff is our target 2 is always 2:1. I would say most of the time is 2:1, like 90%. All right, so seldom I'll put like 1 point something reward is the risk to engage the trade. That put us, myself and my community, my students, an advantage over the market. So even you make a lot of bad decisions along the ways, and you analyze the market, you know, got a bit off tracks and stuff like that, you didn't follow what I teach you, it will not burn a hole in your account. All right, so let's head back to our daily chart. Let me share with you my analysis. I just want to say this: Wednesday there is no live session. We will go in a clubhouse. Just make sure to jump in our Telegram group, where I will start to share things like the topics that some of my students have suggested in as early as April. I'll just put the topic there, and you know, if you're interested, let me know and we'll jump in the live session. All right, so because I'm traveling, I'm going to Bangkok. All right, so on the daily chart, let me share with you my analysis over here on the daily chart. Well, this is a bit too early to say on a potential bear shark. I even told you that it's very unlikely it happens. But we are within the sell zone. If there's a retest over here, 72.06, why not look for a shorting opportunity? 4-hour chart, well, this is interesting. The 4-hour and the 1-hour chart have the same back pattern as I mentioned. Not every time you have a zoom in version on that, but in this case, it does have this back pattern that is valid. Yeah, it's really valid. Right now, you have not hit the first target, and right now it's coming back to retest. So it really depends on what level and where you are looking at for a retest level. If you are what we call in Singapore kiasu, then you can put it closer, so it will definitely trigger once the market open on Monday. All right, and you see if you have a good reversal sign, and if you are conservative, wait for a 3-bar reversal before engage a trade. Over here, all right, this PRZ zone should be respected, meaning no breaking and closing below out of this zone. All right, and that could get you into the trade. And since the 1-hour and 4-hour is having the same back pattern, you can trade it based off the 1-hour chart. That's pretty much I have for you today. If you love this kind of stuff, you want to learn more about trading, drop me a note, and we'll see if you are a good fit. There are really new stuff coming up in Forex 100. You'll just have a lot of added benefit. That's pretty much I have for you. Take care, and I'll see you around.